Okay, next we should probably talk about preschool skills, like beginning to read and write. We've got, with Usborne, we've got a ton of cool stuff for that. I think what I would start with is our Wipe Clean books. These are a couple examples of Wipe Clean books. There are bunches of them. If it's something that interests you, definitely go on the website and type in Wipe Clean in the search bar, because there are lots of really cool ones. This one is Wipe Clean Alphabet. What I love about the Wipe Clean books is that not only are they working on a skill, but they're fun. My daughter, who I said is almost 4, will spend a lot of time working on one of these and doesn't feel like she's working on something. So alphabet goes in alphabetical order, A, B, C, both uppercase and lowercase, and then things that start with that. You practice tracing the letter. I want to get it close enough so you can see. It even shows them what lines they're supposed to do first, 1, 2, 3, and the direction the lines go, which is really cool. And then, so there's lots of letters in here, all the letters, obviously. And then at the end, get to the end, the entire alphabet to practice. They wipe clean very easily. They are, I wipe them clean with just like a tissue. If they get really gunky or they don't get wiped clean right away, maybe use a baby wipe or a damp paper towel, but they wipe clean very easily. They come with a marker, each of them. But I have purchased some Wipe Clean dry erase crayons, and my daughter has a much easier time manipulating those. Children with special needs, I would definitely suggest getting the Wipe Clean crayons instead of using the marker, because you don't end up with a marker on your hands. If you're using the crayons, it doesn't smudge, and it's much easier to control. It doesn't slip as easily. They have a much easier time making the little letters, especially for people just beginning. Like I said, my daughter's not even 4 yet, so she's really just beginning to trace these and has a very difficult time. If her marker moves and it doesn't look like the letter, she gets kind of upset. So the Wipe Clean crayons are definitely a cool thing. As I said, as I said, we have lots of different Wipe Clean varieties. This one is first numbers. There's first letters, first words, beginning writing. There's even for the even younger, like beginning pen control and dot-to-dot tracing. So that gets them in the mindset for making letters and numbers, which is really cool for preschoolers. Each one comes with a marker, like I said, for $7.99 for a single book. But there are kits in which there are like half-size books, and 4 half-size books with a marker in a little kit with a handle. And again, the smaller ones, my daughter has a much easier time manipulating. So it's something to consider. 4 books for $19.99 in a little bit more compact handheld size, or a single book for $7.99 in the larger size. It really depends on what you're going to use them for, but they're awesome. So that's, beginning writing, beginning that kind of stuff. In terms of beginning reading, we have a whole bunch of phonics readers. We have the sets. The single paperback copies. This is Llamas in Pajamas. This is Crow in the Snow. There's a whole bunch from this series. They're all kind of funny. Underpants for Ants. Snail Brings the Mail. They rhyme. They're fun. Fun stories. They don't think they're learning reading skills. But they're like a fun picture book with the skills in them. And then each book in the back has information for parents about phonics and how to teach phonics, how to make these books work for you in teaching reading. These single books by themselves are $6.99, but there are a combined set called Cow Takes a Bow and Other Tales, and that has a whole bunch in a combined volume. They also, we have another set of phonics readers, and this is the combined volume on that. This is Ted and Friends. What I like about this one is it comes with a CD that reads the books, reads all the stories rather. So if your child has this and they're beginning their reading skills and you want to, further that or reinforce that, you can put in the CD and it'll read the stories with them. This one I especially like because it's got not only the good stories, but then it has, if I can find one, some flaps, something a little more interesting, gives them something else to do. This one in particular, too, is illustrated by Stephen Cartwright. I probably will mention him again at some point through the party. He was an illustrator with Usborne, did tons of illustrations. But what's cool about his illustrations is that on every single page there's a little yellow duck, and you can see that. So, again, if you're reading through these over and over again and you need something new to do, where's the little yellow duck? You're going to find him on every single page. There he is back there. So that's something else to do. Stephen Cartwright is the illustrator that is known for the little yellow duck. I said that several times because that's a question I'll probably ask you later. So think about that. Stephen Cartwright, Little Yellow Duck. So that's an idea of our preschool beginning to read, beginning to write skills, our wipe clean books, and our phonics readers.